Hello guys, I'm your name is Shah. So today we are gonna learn about social science NCERT textbook grade 6. So I'm gonna share you the PDF. So I'll explain one by one. I'll cover one by one in this first part. How much I can cover, I'll cover, and this and next part I'll send afterwards. Okay? I don't know when. I'll just send it. Now, with this the chapter name is Locating Places on the Earth. Chapter 1. The globe of the Earth stands in space made up of water, earth, fire, and air, and is spherical. It is surrounded by all creatures, terrestrial as well as aquatic. It was written by Aryabhatta, bracket about 500 CE bracket. Oh, that's a very valuable sentence. So you're thinking, why should I do this? So how many people they're sick started and they can't understand what mom teaches. So I'm there to teach you guys. Okay, don't worry. Ask your madam the doubts and ask me, even me, okay? Everyone are ready? Okay. The big questions: what is a map and how do we use it? What are its main components? So after this chapter is completed, we are gonna see the answers. So we are gonna discuss the answers, okay? I'll say all the answers here, okay? Imagine that you're visiting a city for the first time. Okay, I'm imagining a city I saw for the first time. Okay, okay. Like I'm living in a city. Okay, I came from Andhra Pradesh. Okay, I'm coming from Andhra Pradesh to this city. Like that, for the first time I came to the city. How would you find the places you want to visit? How would you find the places you want to visit? I don't know actually. What is this answer? You might ask a local person. Yes. Example, you're a local person. I'm a new person coming from Andhra Pradesh to city. I'm asking you, where is that mall? Example, where is Shantiniketan Mall? In Bangalore. Okay. No, where is the mall? Okay, where is that? Where is that situated mall? Where is any mall? Okay, example, think any mall. Okay, where is that mall situated? I'll ask a local person. Local person. Okay, or you might look at a map of the city. Yes, of course. If the local persons have like shy to ask others local persons, huh? So I could find by a map. In the previous grades, you learned a little about maps, and in this chapter, we will study them in more detail. Yeah, did you learn before grades? So many you did learn, huh? You learned so many, like you learned this much only, like as in a less quantity. But in the sixth standard, we are gonna learn it in more detail. Okay? Let us play a game. Okay. Let us play a game. Okay. Examine the map of this small city. Oh, the small city is very nice. Comment down whose city is this. Okay. Comment down whose city is this. I am ready for the answers. Okay. Of the small city. Figure 1.1. Imagine that you just got off a train at the railway station and you want to visit the bank marked on the map. Okay, the railway station is here, no? Here. Railway station is here. So you should find the bank. Should go to the bank, okay? Marked on the map. Can you see a railway station there? Yes, in that railway station, you should go to that bank, okay? Should go to that bank. How? Everyone was thinking, how can I go to that bank? You don't have map to. And you want to visit the bank marked on the map. Which way would you go? Are there other possible ways? Can you locate the public garden, the school and the museum? Yes, public garden is near to the bank, almost near to the bank. And the school is very near to the hospital. And the museum is near to the bank and Nagar, Panchayat and market. Okay. If you want to proceed from the bank to the market, which way will you go? There is where a map comes in handy. A map is like a treasure guide. It shows you where things are and how to get to them. Notice the four arrows in the top right corner of the map. We will soon see how they point to some specific directions and make maps even more useful. Yeah, can you see north, south, east, and west directions up of that? Just with N, S, W, E. And now, okay. Huh. On the map in figure 1.1 given on page 8, mark the hospital. Near the school, that hospital is there, no? Near the school and market. Okay. What is the meaning of the blue colored areas? Rivers, lakes, it could be that also. Which is further away from the railway station, the school, the Nagar Panchayat, or the public garden. Apartments, no? Apartments or railway station. That's it. The answer is that. Okay. As a class activity, no. It's not a class activity actually. A map and its components. From this simple example, we understand that a map is a representation or a drawing of some area. It may be a small area, a bigger area, or a very large area like India, or even the whole world. In a map, you look at the surface as if you are viewing it from the top. An atlas is a book or collection of maps. What is atlas? Atlas is a book or collection of maps. Okay. As you will discover, there are several kinds of maps. Yes. So let us understand it one by one. Okay. This much only I will say you and I will go. Okay. How? The three types of maps are physical map, which mainly shows some natural features such as mountains and rivers, oceans. See an example in figure 5.0. I don't know where it is right now. Okay. I don't know where it is. I don't know. Like again, I should go to that page once. It will be like very lazy. I'll be lazy. So which mainly show what which mainly shows some natural features like rivers, waters, like rivers, oceans, lakes. There are so many mountains. There are so many plateaus, hills. It's all physical maps show that all. Okay, right? Okay. Political maps, which show the details of countries, states, boundaries, cities, etc. For instance, a map of India with all its states, union territories, and the capitals. Okay. For instance, a map having its union territories. India has a political map. Okay, in the boundaries will be states, will be countries, just Pakistan, Afghanistan, just they will draw like that. They all will be in the India map, political in the map. That's how the political map is there. Okay, thematic map with a specific kind of information. Okay. No need thematic map that much detail to go. We can just no need it that much detail. We don't need. Okay, bye everyone. Bye.